A science-minded coach follows three men across different ages as they test proven techniques to boost sexual vitality. First, they map erection quality and stamina to heart health, blood flow, and stress management, using data from reputable studies. Second, they adopt natural remedies like omega-3 fats, nitric oxide-boosting foods, and vitamin D, while consulting healthcare professionals. Third, they train with pelvic floor exercises, aerobic workouts, and mindful breathing to build persistent energy and confidence. The message remains clear across ages: improving sleep, hydration, mood, and relationships empowers every man to perform with vitality.